Congratulations! Are you looking to make yourself rich in 12 months? It will take diligence and hard work to master the processes of becoming rich. Adopt the following get-rich proposition and watch the positive results happen. Step 1. Set goals and plan. Set your goal to become rich. Specifically, how much money do you want to make in 12 months, and what needs to be done for it? Create a plan in which you analyze potential issues, opportunities, and strategies. Step 2. Have you evaluated your work capabilities? Recognize your skill and develop it well. You may have expertise in some area, which you can use to your advantage. This will give you profit, and you will also have any investment towards becoming rich. Step 3. Save more. You've set financial goals for your job, so now you need to focus on creating a specific budget to save. Minimize your expenses, control untimely expenses, and keep your expenses in check. Step 4. Maximize your income. Try for growth in your current job or find a similar better job which can pay you more. Create other income sources by taking on extra work and using your skills. Step 5. Convert your savings into investments. Increase your wealth and profits. Explore various options for financial investments, such as the stock market, mutual funds, etc. If you are not sure how to invest, consult a financial advisor. Step 6. Modify yourself. Develop your personality and improve your work efficiency. Read books, attend seminars and workshops, and actively exchange new knowledge to keep yourself updated. Step 7. Find new income sources. Find additional income sources that help you earn money. These can be based on competencies, titles, and interests, such as writing articles, selling your full-time on webinars and workshops, etc. Step 8. Do due diligence. Do your due diligence, use the resources you need to achieve your goal, and look at the opportunities you may have. No work is small, so work with hard work and dedication. Step 9. Build the confidence for success. Be positive and confident in your mind. You should not doubt yourself, but believe in your skills and abilities. Step 10. Plan financially and seize supply opportunities. Create a financial plan that will help you reach your goal. Pay attention to promote investment and control the budget. You should review your plan regularly and revise it if necessary. Step 11. Share your success with people. Share financial success in strategic situations. Compliment people and share them generously. It will help you to enhance your business, career, and spatial competency. Step 12. Everyday Sanjivani, do keep in mind that becoming rich is only the result of a determination that will help you live and act every day. Execute all your actions and maintain restraint and discipline. You will need to follow all these steps to become rich. Note that this is an abbreviated augmented mock-up and should be adjusted according to individual circumstances. You may also need proper financial advice. Therefore, you should seek the advice of an investor and financial advisor with financial planning. Your hard work, struggle, and consistency will be the key towards creating wealth. Work organically, grow continuously, and surely move toward success.